I'm ready. I gotta get you. I gotta get you. No? Where? Yeah?
Yeah. I got you.
Ah, I gotta get you.
I'm not in the shell. Don't walk.
What do I do now?
I'm going to open it with the key. With a key. With a glass. About this key.
Now can I move?
Yeah.
Where should I go?
That way so you could count. Go open that.
You gonna knock me down?